this video, we will show you how to loosen a fixed tool magazine in your E4. Note that if you clean and grease the tool magazine and tool magazine holder as per the specified dental CNC maintenance interval, the tool magazine will not get stuck. But if you can no longer pull the tool magazine from the holder, you can use the build-in loosen mechanism. For this, have the following items ready: a cylinder screw M4x30 that came with your machine, an angle screwdriver TX20, a pointed object such as a wood screw, a pair of pliers and a spare cover cap. Open the working chamber door. Remove the cover cap as shown. Use the screw to pierce through the cap and pry it out. Screw in the screw by hand as far as it will go. Now screw in the screw with the TX20 angle screwdriver until the tool magazine is released. Pull the tool magazine off the tool magazine holder. Loosen the cylinder head screw and remove it. Place the spare cover cap over the screw opening. Press the cap into the opening with the screwdriver. Clean and grease the tool magazine and the tool magazine holder as described in the instructions for weekly cleaning of the machine. We provide a video on this topic. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E4. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.